Okay, today, guys, we're gonna play hot potato. Hot potato, I mean. Okay, here you go. Let's go.
Hot grenade.
Hot potato. You gotta catch it, dummy. Go fuck yourself.
Hot potato.
Hot potato.
Hot potato. Who has the hot potato? If you have the hot potato.
Hot potato.
Oh!
Throw it. Oh my god. Oh, what the frick?
Okay, we're not gonna throw it. We're just gonna hand it.
Yep.
That was so funny.
Let's go.
Give me the grenade.
Let's go. We're gonna sit on the table. We're gonna sit on the table.
I wanna
Let's go.
start it.
Watch you
I'll
guys
start the
just
hot
freaking
potato.
blow up.
Hot potato.
Hot potato.
Hot potato. Who has the hot potato? If you have the hot potato, you are it.
I think he was it, guys. I think he was it. Holy frick.
Oh my god, I was so close to dying.
You know what? 2 hot potato. I'll be about 2 hot potato time. 2 hot potato. Let's go. 2 hot potato. Let's go. Come here, Green. Come on. You already had all freaking. Run, Green. Run.
I was too busy farting.
It was like sending a fucking Rottweiler after a toddler playing with a dog toy.
Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Alright, me and you, 1v1.
Have to.
But if it unpins, you have to hold it. Hot potato.
Hot potato.
Hot potato. Who has a hot potato? Holy frick. You can't do it so early.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let me see it.
Oh, frick. Hot potato.
Hot potato. Let me tell you something.
Hot potato.
Ala uwa ba. Oh my god!
Don't worry. I throw it already.
Hot potato. Don't do it. Don't do it this time. Hot potato.
Guys, I don't think my hot potato is.
You gotta hold it!
He tried back one. Wait. Turn around. I want to show you something funny. I want to do something funny. It's gonna be really funny. Okay. Just stay right like that. No,
Run. Let's go.
This is so sick.
Hot potato. Who has hot potato?
Guys, let's all stay right here, and then let's just sit, and then we just all just watch the grenade explode.
Okay.
An apple.
Oh frick! I'm gonna do it too. I hate my life, man.
famous last words.
I hate my life, guys.
I'll sacrifice my life. I've been expecting you guys.
Okay, bye guys.
Later, I'm gonna